Bonafide Hustler here. It's an early morning here in Austin, Texas, and we're about to go see 2 neighborhood-wide garage sales and make some money. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my house, and we're about to get into the SUV and we're gonna go check out some garage sales. I'm really excited. I woke up like 30 minutes ago, got a little coffee. Organic Ethiopian coffee. We're gonna go see 2 garage sales today. One neighborhood is directly across the freeway from where I live and tends to have a little bit older stuff. It's gonna be pretty cool. 10 garage sales over there. And then the second neighborhood wide we're checking out is probably got 7, and it's in one of the richest neighborhoods in the town. It's really beautiful houses, but really narrow streets. Anyway, should be a really fun day, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Also, if you're enjoying these vlogs and you like to thrift or garage sale, then put a comment down below. I wanna know. Outside of that, there's a free guide, the first link down below. You should go check it out. It'll teach you some items that you should start looking for, thrift stores, garage sales, and you can start making some money on. It's a free guide. Go check it out. Let's go see what we can find. Let's get into the SUV. There's the first garage sale of the morning. Let's go check this thing out. Got a garage sale here. I'm gonna go check it out. We see some cool, like, bullhorn looking things in the back. Okay, my girlfriend's holding it. We got it for $5. Are you kidding me? $5. Babe, that's the wrong car. and she went to the wrong car. Oh my God, what did you do that for? That thing's sick. This is gonna be worth about 100 in the booth, maybe more. Okay, so there's a garage sale over there and we just got done with it. And look at this find right here. This is a number 2 coffee grinder. Now that's a TBD on the price, but this is very heavy, very amazing. As you can see, the front of it is looking like this, wood handle, and it actually does grind, I would think. And we also got the coffee beans that go on top. This is a humongous score. So usually wall-mounted coffee makers are what you want to look for, the vintage ones, but this one's going to be one that would sit on a table. We'll put screws in there and everything. This is beautiful. This is a TBD, but this is probably going to be a humongous win. It does weigh like 30 to 40 pounds. All right, so from that garage sale right there, $5, I got these 2 birdhouses. Now I'm not going to resell these. There's no real resale value to here, but this is going to go on one of these really cool extended branches on my oak tree in my front yard. And I'm trying to get like 20 in a row of these birdhouses so that way we can have birds, you know? That's what I'm talking about. Birds are cool. And these are cool birdhouses. So we went around and around in that last neighborhood and we looked hard for stuff, and we came out with the coffee grinder and the cow skull thing, and now we're in the other neighborhood and we're looking for some deals, and the streets are super narrow and there are people everywhere. So we're just looking for the next sale, and it should be right down that way.
Should be right here. Puppy is cute, but I don't see anything.
Okay, nothing. Okay, so there's a garage sale right there that we just came out of. $10. I picked up this Babolat Pure Drive racket. I think this is probably a $40, $50 racket, played against sports kind of thing. Even maybe just putting it on the Facebook Marketplace, and the grip is really good. It's not trash, so that's a good sign. We don't have any cracks at the top here or anything. My girlfriend, $5, she popped on these LL Bean vintage Maine hunting shoes, so these are cool. And with these, you want to make sure that they don't crack in the middle when you kind of bend them. So like when you bend them, you shouldn't see any real crazy cracks right here. But this is in pretty good condition, and this could do well in the booth for $50 to $100 for sure. All right, it's like 10 o'clock now, and last neighborhood we got out of, and we are seeing 2 more garage sales. One of the garage sales is right there. Maybe we can find a couple more things before we go home.
Yes, they are.
So from that garage sale behind me, I picked up some cool stuff. $2. I got all this Samurai VHS stuff that pretty much gonna lot, you know, these together on the bay. And then some of the stuff can go in my booth for like $5 to $10 a piece. But yeah, got that for $2. All this really cool retro Samurai stuff. I'll be looking up the rest of it later. So same garage sale, my girlfriend picked up not these Maui Jim sunglasses, but these Prada sunglasses. And she thinks that she can resell these for how much?
Probably between 100 to 120.
All right, so there we go. Prada sunglasses, she paid what, 20 bucks?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that's gonna be her little experimental flip right there. So not a bad day. I'm editing the video and I'm looking back at this stuff, And yeah, it wasn't too bad. In fact, that was 2 weeks ago on those garage sales. And last weekend, ooh, I found a lot of good stuff with my girlfriend. So we're gonna be putting that on its own kind of thing, but we didn't film anything, but I'm gonna show you the haul regardless. And we sold some stuff already. So if you enjoyed this video and you love garage sales and all that kind of stuff, then show your support. Put a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.